Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back once again to your favorite crypto corner. If you're watching Ethereum climb toward that 5K and 790 target for September and eyeing that 12K year-end call, the real question now is which ETH presale is about to explode with it? Is it gonna be Pepero or is it gonna be Lil Peppy? We're breaking down the most hyped Ethereum prediction of the year and the top presale play that could arrive this wave all the way up. And with that being said, guys, stay locked in till the end. Alright guys, we are back. Ethereum is moving with serious strength right now, sitting just 7% away from its all-time high at 4.9k with strong support locked in around 3.9k. The chart shows a clean bullish structure of higher highs and higher lows backed by volume spikes at 3.9k that signal heavy institutional accumulation. Technicals point toward 5.7k with Fibonacci levels lining up perfectly with resistance, while a breakout above the ATH at 4.9k could set targets at 5.2k and then 5.7k in the months ahead. The momentum is also fueled by 23.4 billion daily trading volume, which is proving that demand is alive and well. And with experts now eyeing 12k by year end, Ethereum structure and fundamentals look set to carry it into new price discovery if this cycle keeps heating up. Now, when it comes to Ethereum-based meme coin pre-sales that are heading into the 2025 hype cycle, the battle between Pepero and Lil Peppy is getting real. And right now, Pepero is way ahead on fundamentals, structure, and upside. With a 420 trillion supply mirroring Peppy, Pepero is built for serious gains and not just buzz. A 50x move post-launch look well within reach, and with a potential tier 1 listing like Binance, 100x is definitely not unrealistic. Now, what makes it even more bullish is that 30% of the supply is locked for staking with current APY at 236%, which keeps tokens off the market and adds massive price support. The pre-sale momentum is also backed by over 100k active followers, dual audits from Solid Proof and coins sold, and an actual product already live. I'm talking about Pepero Swap with 0-fee trading and a bridge that is ready for stage 2 listings. From my perspective, this is one of the few meme coins where the fundamentals line up with the hype, and that is the exact kind of setup early investors look for before a full bull run kicks in. Now guys, Lil Peppy with its EVM layer 2 angle may see a quick 5x spike after launch, but coins that are built only on hype and thin liquidity usually do not hold their gains for long. Without real tools, mainnet strength, or the backing of deep liquidity, the price could collapse within days. And that is exactly where Pepero shows its real edge. Staking rewards that lock supply, products like Pepero Swap already live, and audits by Solid Proof and coins sold that add trust and security. It's exactly this combination of utility and sustainability that separates Pepero from short-lived plays like Lil Peppy, and why many are calling it one of the safest meme coin bets heading into 2025. Looking at the price predictions across the board, Ethereum is targeting 4.9k from its current 4.6k level, which is an 8% move on a resistance retest. XRP sits at 2.9 now with projections towards 3.7, which is a 26% gain if the ETF-driven breakout plays out. Then we have Solana that is pushing from 200 to 210 on institutional demand, which is a modest 5% climb. But Pepero is where the numbers get explosive. Reaching parity with Peppy's price here means about a 68x return. If it exceeds Peppy's level by 50x, that is still around 50x gains, and if it pushes to 100x, you're looking at nearly 100x upside. The setup shows exactly why Pepero is catching so much attention. Its upside dwarfs the majors, which is making it one of the most asymmetric bet threats of this bull run. And that, my friends, is exactly why so many eyes are on Pepetto right now. Investors can already join the pre-sale through the official website with tokens priced at around 100,000 of a cent. You can buy with USDT, Ethereum, BNB, or even card payment, which is making it super simple for anyone to get in early. On top of the entry price, early buyers can also boost their returns through staking in the broader ecosystem features, locking in rewards while positioning for those potential massive multipliers ahead. With that being said, guys, do not miss this massive opportunity. Join their community and subscribe for more updates. This is your favorite altcoin gem finder signing off.